Okay, I think it's fair to say it's been a fantastic day, a real decent spring day, early spring day, but I've left it intentionally late to come out tonight. I'm only going to go for a few miles because a couple of weeks ago I found an old barn where there's barn owls roosting, so I've left it till later in the day. Hopefully they're going to come out because it has been nice weather today and that might encourage them out. Okay, I'm in position. There's the barn. So you've got an open door to the right, but in the gable that's facing me, I don't think you can make it out, there's a small hole, and I've seen the barn owl flying out of that, so I'm hoping on this lovely evening one is going to appear. Let's see what happens. So this is nice. When birds start getting close to you like this, it means you're starting to blend in. Right, back to our watch. That was nice. So that's a bullfinch. I thought I heard one flying around while I'm waiting for this barn owl to appear. Had a little robin earlier as well, but yeah, that was a bullfinch, and you could see it there really stretching. I think it was getting the seeds off. Oh, it's come back actually, but I think it was stretching and getting the seeds off the hawthorn. But yeah, it's really one of my favourite birds. That is a bullfinch. That bright pinky reddy chest and a black stripe around its head and a lovely sort of grey back, almost like a pigeon's back, a pigeon colour. Its back feathers on its wings. Yeah, really nice. Bullfinches again, but you've got the female on the left. You can just make out the male on the right behind the bushes. So they're going to be pairing up, I suppose, for the breeding season coming up. Let's get a shot of the female. See, her chest isn't quite as bright as the male's, and the back isn't quite as grey, but look at her digging those seeds out. Brilliant. Okay, so that was a wren. And the wren, I believe, is actually Britain's most common bird. I might be wrong there, but where they're so small, you just don't see many of them, and they sort of hide in bushes and things like that, so that you don't often see them, but they're all around. And anyway, the birds are certainly starting to get used to me being there, but they're probably not seeing me, so that's a great sign. So I must keep quiet though. So I'm hoping the camera's picking this up. It's like a halo in the sky, so that's I believe that's ice crystals high up in the sky, and as the sun's setting it's giving us like a halo effect. Beautiful. Come on now, I'm starting to lose the light. Come on. Well, I've had to call it a day. I'm running out of light, and boy, the temperature is dropping. But early March, sun drops, so does the temperature. Anyway, no owls, no barn owls. Not to worry. I'll give it another go. If you don't get out here to try, you're never going to be successful. So that's the way it goes most of the time. But lovely set of bullfinches. A beautiful little robin is getting really close to me, and other birds as well. That little wren. But yeah, I'll give it another go one day.